It's Mandalo.
Early morning level without a doubt. I'm cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. We set them. Pre-market out for the Lions is ready. Queen White Salmon and Salmon, we steady. Deep cheers when the night is connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo. In the morning, I'm nerding and we're nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to Coin Wise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. Why you be all on the trot if you rushing? Why you not marking the levels of sucking? Wise lions patient, we build it for structure. Mandalo teaching the code to the public. Coin wise outfits flowing abundance. Knowledge and discipline stacking the hundreds. Every reaction the lions know how I'm coming. Lions brigade when candles start pumping. Before the bell ringing, the lions on a mission. Studying candles, levels, and timing with precision. A boobalito in any market condition. Coin wise with KIMBA'S dominating the competition. We got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. We set them. Pre-market off of the Lions is wedding. Coin wise family and seminar we stay. Big cheers with the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo in the morning. I'm nerding and we nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market all that we shout out now. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We settle.
Good morning. Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Let's go. How we doing?
Yeah, Kimba in the building. Feeling like we made it. No looking back. Let's go.
Gucci Romo, Bergie. Shouts PSG. Cake shower. How we doing? Long time. Hope all is well. Alf. Maestro Crispy. Let's go. Housty. Let's go. I think I had too many sources going on the intro. That was a bummer. Levels on level. Levels on levels.
Ain't no stopping us now. We've been rising non-stop. Used to count pennies, now we counting the drops. Living good, toasting up, lights on lock.
Shit. Gachoya. Johnny Kingslow. Let's juice. No Latuche for 2 months. Hey, congrats on the new job, Gucci Romo. Manolo. I don't know. We'll see. This light is too much.
It's just us and the crew. Taught myself the game, now we making it through. Living the dream, now the vision's in view. From the bottom to the top, now we got the right cue.
Okay. Nice to see you too, Cake Shower. Alf. Let's get it. Maestro. Shouts Maestro. Batone. Well. Did that second Sato lit come? Shout out to Juicin'. Juice! Well, crawl around forever and then all at once, right? We eating rice kimchi? I mean, shout out to the Kimba's Den. Exclamation Discord See all the plans from the king. Let's go, Gucci Remo. All positive on everything except for drug tests. Arum, good morning. I'm Sin. E-Socks. MEXC83, good morning. All peasy. Biffum. Rodgelicious. Shout out calling noob. Buzz, good morning. Husty. Sophia. Go 121212. Welcome to the chat. Pedro, let's go. Good morning. Bud Fox. How's Anacott Steel doing? Who juicing? Shout outs to Inky and the WLD. Wild. We might chart in a little bit. Oh my goodness. Whoa now. Whoa now. Holy shit, dude. Shouts to Hype. Mex Powers. Ghosted. Cataspada. That's juicy Gucci. That's Gucci Magucci. Yep, the unfilled rotation at 66.6. Filled. And this is the prior value area low. And then like the high time frame value area low. Hey, we got a lot of loans come back in on this little push right here. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, that is so juice, Gucci. Joker, how you doing? Shouts to KIMBA'S Den. Tia Goog. Juicin' ma juicin'.
Back in the day, we was grinding for the juice. Now the whole gang on no excuses, just truth. OGs bring the hype, bring the squad, bring the juice.
That's
Let us
better.
charge math for all that, all in one motherfucking session. Quit playing with me.
Value area low. Yeah, front ran that low.
Useless lines record.
Funny.
Yeah. Yeah.
Clear invalidation.
Yeah. Make it say, no limit. Got that test net. No limit.
I didn't think it looked like super heavy bottom shorts. I can't remember now.
Just know you roll with a line like me. There's no limit, baby. Make it say, no limit. Juicing all day. No limit, baby. Run it up, big alpha. No limit. Just know you vibe with the pride like me.
MEXC83. Shout out to MEXC83. If you just juiced up off of MEXC83 gift, make sure you thank the man. Get your umbrellas out. Let's go.
We move like generals, make it say, no limit. like that golden pocket. No limit, baby. Posing up the wins, no limit. Just know when you trade with a line like me, there's no limit, baby. Make you say, no limit. Juice keep flowing, no limit, baby. Proper risk, real discipline, no limit. Just know when you're locking with a squad like me, there's no limit, baby. Charts don't decline, baby. Charts don't decline. Trade with the gang, we shine, baby, we shine. Yeah, all night we shine. Pick a target, place a stop, go ahead, show me how.
Shout out to CoinWise Levels. Thank you, MEXC83. Huge shout outs. He juicing. Did you get in the long again? You still in the short? Ready for the summer for show. Check out the dashboard if this is new to you. We're gonna look at the levels real quick and then do some analysis with the dashboard. Almost goes full. You still got a little bit. Is it long? Is it one to be in a Wong? Absolutely not, unless you see Sato in one. Daily levels. We're gonna tighten these things up a little bit. VPOC 67 4 something. 343. I'm just dyslexic. Oh no. $68, $988. Value area high. And previous day VWAP up there too, right in the single print. I can see that being a little resistance. That was a big day for single prints. Yeah, we put in 4. There were 5 and we filled one of them. That's pretty juice. That is a trend day. Your beach body went on vacation. That's classic. Yeah, it was like straight line pretty much. That was an ugly one. Oof. I mean, we could bounce from here and all the way up to like the 73, even like the 70, 600. I mean, we talked about that level hard though, didn't we? I said that was interesting if the data looks good. It didn't look good. I mean, is this looking like a bottom? But it doesn't have to look like, feel like, smell like. But might as well do this. I don't want to crush streams or anything. That's how we get paid. Kimba gang juice, DSG juice, yeah, little cheese, smoke Bugatti's profits, yeah, it's on the grind, lions never lose, math is the juice, math is the juice. Actually, I'm not even gonna do that on this chart, because it's just too much white and stuff. Fuck, I didn't save it. Well. Yeah, like kind of vibe out for a minute. You want it to be this, don't you? Except for you got that. It actually matches better with like the candles and everything when you do this, which is a lot scarier, but it kind of fits with like the plan. Oh my goodness. But if you like this better, you know, this is just like a little game. It's always a game. Yeah, see, you don't have like the bounce. Won't you sit in the car with me now? Won't you wait for the zone to play out? Matches better. You even have like the dumps. Really close. Crazy. Five bull pits, 14 days old. Congratulations, crypto jammies. Let's go, Kimba. Yeah, let's lock in. Good morning. Shout out to the plans, Kimba. Exclamation Discord, Kimba's Den. Oh, this sounds like I'm in a tin can. Let's go! Mega Juice. Crypto Jammies. Kimba. Yeah, a lot of longs came back in. Oh my goodness. I'm fucking stupid. Get those levels in. It's not even worth seeing that fractal. I guess it's going to be one of those days. It's going to be one of those days that we just juice up. Trying to change my vibe up. Market structure. Well, 4 hour. Yeah, that's pretty good. Nice little engulf. Unfill rotation right there at the 63.5 area. And then, oh no. I don't think it goes back that far. Not on the 4 hour. Juicy, majuicy. Coinwise.com/dashboard. This thing is juice. Crypto Jammies, you talking about the stab high contest? That thing was sick. Unfill rotation. Yeah, the 63.5. And then to the top side, 68 for yesterday. Current RSI bullish. Yeah, I mean, we came through. Let's look at this before I start talking about all that. You got some thanks from those loans that came in right here, huh? 175 million? Holy shit. Yeah, and it's 68. Yeah, more to the top side, obviously. We just nuked straight down. And Gex flip 67 to 81. Big peeps 65 and 60, biggest ones. Okay. 64. Yeah, well, that's below us. So you got some distance to go there. Damon, shout outs Damon. Let's go. Thank you for the resub, brother. Oh, shh. Hope all is well. It's been a minute. Yeah, shout outs Crypto Jammies. That's crazy. You see Huey Vaughn's like little flickers. Insane. Yeah. Okay, let's get it over to our CME. Oh. Yeah, the white is the RTA sweep. Or the tan or whatever color you want to call that. Just like rolling over bad highs once again. I mean, it's just like the same story every single day, isn't it? And these lows, not looking too bueno, but you get some distance for that too. Yeah, and MPOC here, if we rotate down to the 75 to 80 region, 75, 83, 82. Those lows, you know, Kimba's plans definitely in play. Trading below settlement, that's, you know, better for more downside, but yeah, PDEQ right, we're sat at there. MEXC 83, let's get it. Working and nerding out, let's go, Damon. Exclamation BTC live, that's right. Dude, Maestro, I was looking at Thailand. It looks like a good place to spend 181 days a year, at least. If you know, you know. Palau is nice too, though. Shoutouts to my neighbors in Palau! Exclamation Palau. Heard it's Liddy in Thailand. Mrs. Mandalo is Vietnamese. She goes there every once in a while. I've never been. Yeah, Vietnam is pretty amazing too, though. Let's go, Gucci. Bang Star. And shout out to Zuki. Good morning over in YouTube. Kimba Gang always. Shout out to Kimba Gang always. Stream Elements. Kimba AI. Kimba AI holding it down. You gonna do your traveling in November? Nice, MEXC83. Hey, I think we're gonna try and get up, aren't we? Dodanang. You know what is amazing about Vietnam? The food. They have some beautiful beaches too. I haven't done much traveling in the past like 2 years. I used to freaking travel like Kimba. Well, not like Kimba. Travel a lot of places like Kimba. But like throw everything in a surf bag and fucking be gone for months at a time. Stops taken. Good morning, Gypsy. Let's go. I saw Barentina in here a little bit ago. Good morning. How we going, Gypsy? You guys been hanging out? Or are you just grinding? I know he's grinding. He said he was at the beach for a while. Oh, you said you were at the beach for a while. Shoot. I can't even keep it all straight, man. Donka. Donka Killuminati. Cool name, bro. He was in here like 10 minutes. He was right before stream started. It seemed like it was 10 minutes ago. I was gonna 2-minute prediction. Who wants it? If you want the prediction points, get it, get it. Yeah, pho is so good. Let's go Crypto Jammies. All right, get it. You only have like a minute and a half left. It's gotta be testing yet. So maybe not much a gap, if at any. We did trade into that lower. Just dip the tip on that little sweep, sweep, sweep. But that isn't a sweep, that was just value area low. And we tapped value area low on like spot and everything too. It completed the rotation that we had kind of had our head on a swivel about. The big sweep for a semi RTH is 65,380, and then the second one is 62,475. Yeah, we're like, we got fibs working with us and all kinds of things. That's like Pixel 786, isn't it? Crazy. Oh, ding, ding, ding. Baby gap. Teeny tiny gap down on ES. Well, crypto jammies, you know, that is a risk. One thing that has happened that is a little bit different. This is kind of like the first higher high that we had. And then it was just like, I mean, if you're looking, but the whole move, except for that, but the whole move, it was like pretty much all like lower high, lower high, lower high, like all of this, all of this. One thing the bulls maybe have a little bit in their favor is we are holding the open now. And we made a higher high. So that's a couple things. Previous day point of control, but we are back in value. So it's holding it. It, you know, just lost it. Reclaimed really quickly. And actually that pixel retest. And that cleaned up a low down here too, but not the low that I kind of pointed out on CME as well. I wasn't voting for a trade, fellas. It was just for the first 5-minute candle on market open. Trust the math is activated. Never wrong. Strategize, we elevate. I think he was just trying to figure out what's going on. He's still new. Gonza's, ding, ding, ding. Good morning. How are you doing? Yeah, and this was the range value area low on spot. Right there. One plus one, it's more than two. So that's why I had that marked. And 64, I think it was from like way back. Stick to the plan, we're taking routes. You see the future is crystal clear. Why is that? No fear here. Let's go higher. Kimba gang, united as one. And that point of control. The 67.5. We've always been talking about that level. So just above. If it's just too much juice, there we go. It was 5 single prints. Oh, never mind. Lock in, brother. Monthly VWAP right above. It is a new month. That's also weekly VWAP. grabbing 3 of those single prints, less likely. They came and got all those single prints pretty much in like...
They say life's a gamble, but I don't play no
It's unusual to go for like a lot of single prints at a time. Yeah, volume holding. We get the volume coming back in, but like volume down into these lows. Of course, it was during ETH. And they were just like, got greedy down here, I think. Yeah, look at those bottom shorts. A lot of them just closed out. That wasn't even that much of a bounce. 1,500 bucks. But I mean, that was hella offsides. Yeah. I don't know, Gucci Romo. Follow your plan, brother. Follow your plan. Don't let me talk you out of it. Just use a stop loss. Don't be a Sato. I like low 66s if I'm like really thinking about it. You have like previous day value area low. I don't really like taking that after it's just rolling over. But I guess you could say, well, no. If I'm gonna follow, you know, go systematically. You got the golden pocket. That's the whole prior range value area low. Previous day value area low. That whole area. It cleans up this. And this. You know, so that cluster, like this one's not like really that bad, but it add it with these, it's not the greatest. Maybe in 15 minutes we'll see an order block there too. I think you're gonna maybe see one here.
We play wise, and that's how we juice every damn time.
Of course, I got WEEX here.
Kimba gang.
Shout out to CoinWise! Exclamation CoinWise! CoinWise.com/dashboard. Yeah, so you got that order block there also on this candle. Low that brought the high. And just looking for different reasons to incorporate that in my thesis and support taking a position or entering a position. Just spitballing, yeah. I mean, you ain't wrong. Previous day point of control being resistance and then 67.5, that previous volume level. I'd like to see it maybe like reject the single print and bounce like that. It would look a little bit better maybe. And that's not like, I mean, obviously that's a lot higher, but I think that your edge is going to be a lot higher too. NVIDIA. Oh man. And you got like one good candle bringing us back, but like that good candle is not on the greatest volume, being an overnight. I'm just thinking about those lows. Conservative. Let's go 83rd. Yep. Dumbledore. I'm more like Dumbledore. Yeah, you see my gold chain? I'm fucking dork. I ain't gotta impress nobody. Got Mrs. Mandalo locked down. She trapped. Let's go Gucci Romo. 100 Kimba points. Well, it was the first 5 minutes. I should have marked it. I'm just like all over the place. Yep, green. Catchoya. Exclamation dashboard. Yeah, maybe a clean of 58.8. We just looked at a rotational play like down to like 55, I think. I don't know. I mean, there's all gonna be levels that can bounce. And yeah, I made a little bit of my own. And speaking of Vietnam, I made some Vietnamese music too for Mrs. Mandalo and her family. And they're like, this is actually pretty good. I was like, it would be a lot nicer if you didn't have the actually in there. Yeah, Gucci. Okay, we'll go back. We'll go back. Oh my goodness, dip the tip on ES2 and S&P. Hey, we mapped out that 7610. Look at that Boogamma. That was from Tuesday. Wait, Monday. Maganet. Yeah, I guess we should see the Boogammas. Let's get the 15-minute chart. No single prints yet, so we're good. We're good. Hayne, I do listen to a little bit. I mean, I'm usually listening to the stream in the background if I'm at the screens. Jingao, how we doing? Great. Great. My daughter's amazing. I don't get enough time with her, even though she's right here, sort of. And my son is, he's really developing a personality. He's a lot of fun too. He's 10 months old. Have you spoken with your daughter, Jingao? Shouts to you, brother. Ooh-wee. PDPOC. A previous week POC. Holy shit. Yeah. All right. These motherfuckers. These motherfuckers. Higher! At some point, 76.25. 7,700 now. I mean, dude, it's going to 8K. It's just a matter of when. The fuck? Next week, probably. Yeah, America. Yeah, America's collapsing. Stock market is fucking doesn't care. So, America's in this conundrum. Like, gas used to be really cheap. And so it's like everybody has huge fucking trucks and stuff. Like, Teslas are like... No, I mean, some people like them, I guess. There is surf in Vietnam. But you're right by Indonesia. I would much rather be surfing in Indonesia. Shout out to Indoland. The fake F-150 boys. Oh man, you gotta have 350 at least. But everything here, I mean, US is pretty big, and aside from like if you're in a suburban area, yeah, maybe a little bit of shorts here. It's kind of a lot of commuting. Like my city, it's like fucking 50 miles for the whole like metropolitan area. You gotta drive freaking a lot for everything. And so people are feeling that hard. Of course, Gucci Remo. You know, South Shore Oahu's cranking. South Shore's cool. I like the east side, and my buddy had like military access. We used to surf K-Bay a lot. That place is fun. Oh my goodness, S&P, help me. Yeah, that was another life of mine too, Gucci Remo. Jet skiing is fun as well. I was doing a whole lot of that. And wakeboarding. Yeah, not as much wakeboarding. But done a fair amount, and you know, you get behind the yacht. You get like a 3-foot wave. You don't even need like the wake surf boat. Dude, it's like chest high. Yeah, K-Bay is sick, dude. Kimba did call it. Yeah, same levels. I mean, it's not really nuking. It's like 25 points. Oh no. 35 points. It's like 0.5%. I guess so. That's sick. That's sick, Crypto Jammies. Yeah, he lived like a mile from there. I think. Something like that. We spend a lot of time in the North Shore too. Just the crowds are so gnarly. There's not really a whole lot of like boot gammas to the downside for the levels right now. Wait to see it like come in. Maybe when it's updates. Hammerheads. Yeah, I used to live in a hammerhead breeding ground. I saw some monsters. It's the tigers. There we go. There we go. I don't know, Crypto Jammies. I can't even remember the name of all the spots, but there was a couple of places that we went that we had to like paddle so much. That poster in Bitcoin Talk. Let's see this. Good morning, Karun. How are we doing? Let's go, Mikey for life. How you doing? Free Bonacci. The levels charts. Free Bonacci. All right, I'm gonna pull up this this Bitcoin Talk thing that Karun's talking about. What we have going on in the chart, the far left side is Agger. Exclamation Agger. So it's like the ticker tape, and then you got like CVD and stuff above it. Cumulative volume delta, it's like the buys versus the sells. That's a Bitcoin Talk. And Crypto Commander. Let's go, Mosley. Was it you that just got into the Lion Cubs? Tiagu, JRL, 83rd, Ice Milk Tea. Is it Crazy Commander that did it? Dude, I'm like information overload. This is sick. Kimba game, let's fucking go. Did he just turn the Kimba's Den into this? That's dope. Shout outs Crazy Commander. I can't even like Google something on ChatGPT. Crypto Jammies, I snapped 3 boards in one session at K-Bay. It gets good. That's a kook, right? It is pretty juice, Corinne. Fibonacci, so it's Agger on the left, the red and green. We're looking at confluence between the S&P, seeing if it has any effect, which it often does. It often has, I just think of the frickin', the pop star Lonely Island song when I hear this song. I'm doing great. We'll look at the confluence. Let me turn this down. That, I don't know how the sound got so like unbalanced. Testnet. Happy 420. Welcome, brother. How's the music versus voice? I didn't fix anything for myself. Let's go, Kimba. He's up in the Bitcoin talk. Let's go. So we look at the confluence between S&P and Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin futures on CME, which is arguably the institutional trading market. Followed by Coinbase, which is the other chart that I'm primarily showing on stream. Kim was dropping some juice in Bitcoin talk. Exclamation Discord. And the tools that you see on the screen are mostly Coinwise. Exclamation Coinwise. It is a platform that has all kinds of tools and education and juice, pretty much is the best way to summarize it. You can go to coinwise.com/dashboard and get many of these tools on pretty much any computer, iPads. I think that they're like optimizing mobile right now. I don't know how well it works. I haven't even tried it on my phone. I should. But we're looking at gaps, so when something closes at a certain price, events can happen, or just for lack of a long explanation, just it can open up at a different price than it closed. Okay, so like let's say that you were at the store shopping yesterday and you wanted to get some Monster, and then all of a sudden, like, there was a roadblock in the supply chain or some shit, and the next day you went to the store. When they opened up, they changed the price. It's kind of like that for markets. It makes adjustments even if the market's not trading. Now, the market mostly does trade in the after hours. But we're looking at the New York trading session as being the primary institutional trading session, and higher volume, higher interest, higher institutional participation. So a lot of the big moves are the ones that are more powerful anyways, occur during the New York trading session, like 9:30 New York time to 4 p.m. There is futures markets that trade nearly round the clock, except for kind of on weekends. Bitcoin CME futures has started to trade even on weekends, even if TradingView is still not getting their shit together. But yeah, there's your 445. Ooh, they did. Oh no, I'm stupid. Yeah, I was at IRL work yesterday. Yeah. 2045. Yeah, they're still. It's the Globex. You gotta get the data feed from them, I think. If any of you figure this one out, or if it's just TradingView that's needs to like recode it or something, Look at this. Oh, wait. And it, oh, sweet for ants on this low. Why did I mark that? But coinmice.com/dashboard, a lot of free tools and ways to understand them. So, Fibonacci. Yeah, I was talking about gaps, so that's what the color is. Settlement is like the where the RTH, the New York trading session, final prices at the end of the day, and it tends to have a pretty strong effect on price movement when it's interacting with it. Either if it's trading around it or if it trades away from it, it can draw price back and often have a reaction with this level. But these are CoinMice levels and RTH gaps. And then there are some additional indicators on here. This is a volume weighted average price oscillator, and it kind of is a way to put value on the current trading session based on how much participation has occurred. Indicator error. You gotta be playing with me. Yeah, so it takes a lot. Join up our Discord. Exclamation Discord. It's free. Lots of great. You can't read it. He said, "On God, this shit too easy." Trembler. Let's go. Let's fucking go, Kimba. On God, this shit too easy. I'll say it again. It's bearish if we reject from those single prints, Daywalker. To me, anyways. But Fibonacci, there's one more thing I want to show you before I move on to like someone with ADHD and completely on the spectrum and just flat out retarded should not be managing chat with 52 viewers and 850 iPads. coinmice.com/dashboard. Yeah, that rotational level. 63.5 basically. I guess I can put the prices on there, can't I? Ah. I mean, almost 63, 420, 69. But 63, 496, 69. Math and data, 65, 550 entry. Can we get a huge hype for KIMBA'S levels and Mandalo? You know, I'll just shout you out. It's KIMBA'S levels and you, brother. Shout out to Cokes here. Oh my God. Yeah. He Jason. MEXC83 showing the love early. Coke Zero blasted us with 50. Shout out to Coke Zero. Much love, brother. Thank you. Get your umbrellas out again. We should just really not put them away. It's a rainy day here. Hey, Joseph. Shout out to Coke Zero. Hey, and that doesn't even consider our fucking alt calls. The levels were the levels. I mean, that was high time frame, and it looked, a lot of these things look good. Hype held, though. That was interesting. It didn't even get that pullback that we talked about. It's strong. We strong. So, who was talking about the single print? Let's go Trembler. Happy Wednesday, Trembler. iPad 169. Happy I got iPad number 420. Love you, Coke Zero. Thanks, brother. I hope all is well. How's Spain? You still there? Amazing. Did Mrs. Coke Zero blow your bags and you're like refilling them now? Did you get yourself anything pretty? Anything nice? You know what I mean. Salash. The music is too loud now? Really? It kind of is. That's good for me. How's that? Is that better? MJ, Crispy. TRADFI wasn't ready for it, but they've been talking about it for a long time ago, yeah. Yeah, these rotations. Coinwise.com/dashboard. But where I was going with that, you know how it is. Is you can learn about a lot of these things that are right there on the chart, and you don't need some dude to explain it to you. Some dude who's like obviously a fucking idiot. I'm a cheerleader for all the Lions. But they have a whole lot of really nice things in here. Yeah, juicy. And they have a Discord also. Let's go Suguru. Thank you for the resub, brother. Shout out to Suguru. Is that volume better for y'all? I gotta see this. Is it gonna change anything? Juice up! Shout out to Spain. Pixel. Some ETH. So these are all coins. We're like, yeah, that 1907's probably coming. And if that comes, well, 1800. You remember I scrolled down at the end of the stream. It is holding this. But ultimately, this little month. If we go in the 50s, I think that's coming. God, that got me so heated. And then Solana. ETH BTC. Oh, juice. Yeah, they held until they didn't. You remember marking this? Even said, I don't know if that's going to come, but it might. But that one. It would be nice to get back above. Look at that rejection. Oh my gosh. Just rolling. Mission to Poppy. Let's go, Mark. Mark, you're in Colombia, aren't you? Medellin! You're starting a DCA and a BTC? Nice, Raz QQ. I need little Einstein to teach me, that's right. Well. Is it though? We kind of charted out like a few little things. If you got in and followed the plan, you can't even. So strong. Yeah, we saw like the 83, 84 could be interesting. And you got bad highs once again. And then there's like a big lick up there at like 92, somebody was saying. Oh, shit. Oh, no. Ugly ass charts. Suey. Yeah, it's gonna get cleaned. Okay, shout out to Inky and you're wild. Kinky deranged. Ooh-wee! Nice little breakout and holding, and then it held. It held in the daily above that. Pretty nice. Yeah, you remember? At 45. I can't remember which pair we were looking at. So. A lot of longs. But a lot of volume too.
Kimba. It's time to juice.
Disney Games. It's getting cooked. Is it? We got plenty of longs in. Gucci Roma was looking at a long at 66.4. He's juicing. Well, he got front ran. But I said I didn't like that low. I didn't really like that low, and I actually got taken. So don't even want all of that. Rejecting from the previous day, point of control, not the best. Funding rate coming back up a little bit. Aggregate CVD, I mean, we just sold off so hard. And then chart CVD for Coinbase. You got some Coinbase buying coming in since before the lows. So that was a divergence on the 30. Yeah, your relative volume is not really like doing all that much, and actually your delta isn't really, or your buy sell is looking weaker than yesterday. Even though it's RTH now. Interesting. Shoutouts to Buzz. Let's go, Buzzo. Let your monkey breathe. Manaka wants to see lit USDT. All right. Hey, remind me of that. I'm like gonna check in on this one real quick. If I forget. Coke Zero, much love, brother. He just came in, dropped 50 subs, and bounced. What a legend. Love you, dude. What a fucking legend. You guys are all legends, but like, juice. Happy. Happy's a legend. You get all the snow melted now, Happy? Happy June. Disty wants 62K. Yeah, 62 is interesting. He is too busy juicing and treating his lady right. SXW, let's get it. Finally warm now, good. Yeah, summer up there is nice. Free Bonacci, we're not like expecting anything. We look for areas that produce some edge. So multiple levels kind of converging in a adjacent region. And clear participation. We make plans. And we take shots with managed risk. And you just make that repeatable. And that's how you retire. Clearly it hasn't worked out for me yet because I'm sitting here in front of you. But for Coke Zero, it's always more. You heard Kimba talk about this many times. It's always more. You get a Porsche, you want a Ferrari. You get a G5, you want a G6. You get a Bentley, you want a Rolls Royce. You get a mansion, you want a mansion and a beach house. You want an island. Got a Civic, need that Accord. You know, that Accord's looking nice. You got one kid, you want two. You want to pay for 1 year of college, now you want to pay for 2. There's always more. There's always more shit to buy. And I have both, Inky. You ain't wrong though. Yeah, F-150 need a 350. I need a 550, dog. You get an OZ, you get a little zip and you want 2. You want a pound. Sweetie swaggy, sweetie swaggy, sweetie swaggy, whoa. The real lions are chilling, juicing, working hard, vibing out, making Liquania great again. It was always great. Bless you, crypto jammies. Oh, thank you. Yeah, that was a big gazoon tight. Got 6 kids. I mean, I got a farm 83rd. I need some help. That's why you got kids. You put them to work. I just kind of look at them all as a lottery ticket. And one of them hopefully will pay off. You know that Mandalo says some dumb shit on here. Come on now. Let's go into Lion. I think I'm like low blood sugar or something. I might go to the balcony real quick and get a snack. I didn't really eat this morning. I've been up forever. I think I'm gonna do that. Get a little knack. Yeah, yearly open might be coming. I don't even know why we marked that, but we were looking at that level as a good one for a sweep, and then it happened last week. It was like a lower time frame level that we were marking up. Pretty juicy. And then it was 4,400. And you could extend it all the way back to here.
Come up. It's time to juice. Yeah. This one for
What level is it? 4402, 4. Gold. It's got to get back above this. It couldn't. It rejected. That's a level that we said needed to hold when we were charting it on Tuesday. We're like, yeah, I need to probably hold this. It like got up there and then rejected on Monday. We wanted it to hold. And then now it's like resistance. Look at that. It filled that whole candle and then just like turned into a big ass wick. Yeesh. Gotta be kidding me. Quit playing with me. Trading below VWAP. Yeah, first step is to get above VWAP. It did clean this. Yeah, I don't know about that right here. Yeah, it's a different picture painted in hourly charts. Let's see oil real fast. I haven't even like checked up on the news. Yes, we've seen NQ. Can't stop, won't stop. Oh, it's pulling back. It's a red day. Like one of the couple. Is this a gigantic flag? They can turn into a diamond. It's not really a diamond. Inky, I'm purely kidding. 60-hour work week? No. As someone who has worked 60-hour work week since I was like 16 plus, and like many years of like 100-hour work weeks, I want my kids to have the best childhood they can. I am just like, it makes me sad. It also makes me sad to like miss some of it, but it's for them. Yeah, I didn't appreciate it at the time. Nobody will. I'm gonna make sure that they do. There's nothing better. And I maybe get to relive some of my own with them. So that'll bring me happiness. You get your Lambo golf cart. Wasn't WEEX doing the Lambo giveaway? Lambo or Ferrari golf cart or something? Shout outs to WEEX. Zamil. Yeah. That's a maybe. That's coming.
It was after hours charted up the interstate. Used to break it down my session, watch the rates inflate. Back this every entry, let that margin get the weight. Even if it's choppy, we adjust and relocate.
Look at that. That was juicy. I don't remember. Did I say watch that gap? That low's no good. Right here. But if it holds up here, holds this gap, yeah, it'll probably get like some rotations until we figure out what's going on. Kimba in the house! Let's go! Shouts Kimba, shouts to Levels. Much love, brother. Another on Apple. Beautiful. Beautiful. Hey, there's that 2.618. I mean, what else you had to go on? Psychological, it's already above 300. Goog. Shouts to Tia Goog. Zamil, I'll pull that one up in just a moment. Woods and Pasture, Kimba Rave. Okay, okay. Let's turn up. We could just be vibing. I am going to turn up the music after the initial balance and grab a quick snack, like 5 minutes. We'll go to the balcony. Dude, I live on the first floor. I don't have a balcony. It's hard to have a balcony in a cardboard box. You see the brown wall behind me. Biddy's down bad. Happy 420. Thank you, Happy. Shout outs to Happy. My Lambo is a 2001 John Deere backhoe. Yeah, it's a thing. I mean, unless you have like all the other toys, having like a car like that, it's silly. I mean, dude, you want a Bugatti or you want like a small jet? Like, a Bugatti looks cool and it flexes. A jet gets you anywhere that you fucking want to go. But it's the upkeep. It's probably equal on a Bugatti and a jet, honestly. Penthouse vibes, yeah. To the porch. Curvies to the deck. To the patio. To the it's a terrace. It's a terrace, Curvies. Come on now. You know, get yourself versed up on some MDL. I'm not interested. Tesla. Those lows are bad. Highs are bad too. Close the gap, probably get the rest of the highs. It did take that, and we charted that out before. Oh no, it didn't. Yeah, that's what we were looking at in that yearly open. Yeah, close this gap. Maybe it'll run to the yearly open, clean up some of this. That'd be a nice little move. Palantir. Oh, Cachoya. Clean and reject. Yeah. Yep. I kind of thought that this might get got, but you had that serving as resistance. Well. Maybe we get a gap fill and go. I kind of like if it's going to continue down, at least like below 140 a little bit. They're about to raise our rates again. Motherfuckers. MEXC 83! Shoutouts MEXC 83! SB Thon. Malik. SXW juiced up. Just joined the chat and just juiced up on a sub. And Brand Control. Shouts to MEXC83. Make sure you thank the man. Get the umbrellas out. Juice. He juicing. MEXC83, what are you in, dude? SXW. German. Shouts to the German lands. Is that German or Austrian? I don't know, man. I'm American. I can only speak American. Husty, if I had your Twitter, I would have sent you this thing. I sent it to Cage. It was like, and forgive me if you are a female, and this is chauvinist, but it was this like AI thing of like weather girls from every single country in the world wearing bikinis, and it was like pretty good. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome, SXW. San Fran and Vegas. Cool. S&P helped me. That's awesome. Welcome to the US. That's looking so good except for that one and that one. Looking heavy. I think it hits that previous day. Limited time to earn hype train. Let's go! Shout out to MEXC83. Long from 66.3. Ooh. Ooh. Well, you hedged. Juice, MEXC83. That's not bad. It's honestly not bad. You like got in pretty much in a great spot. Hopefully you didn't like get in like here and then have to experience that drop down or drawdown. Drop down. Fucking, I'm telling you, dude, my blood sugar is fudged. Initial balance is tight. I think we'll break out of it. That's juicy, Mex. Oh, on holiday? How long will you be there? Vegas is cool. Oh, 3 weeks. I should. Yeah, shout out to MEXC83. Much love, brother. Thank you. Very, very generous. I'm so happy that you're juicing. So happy. Oh, let's go! You don't gotta keep doing all that, brother. Much love, dude. Shout out to MEXC83. Hey, make sure you thank the man to get your umbrellas out either way. He juicing. Coke Zero spreading the love earlier. MEXC83 spreading the love. I think that's 15 today from you, bro. At least. Love you. You want me to chart anything for you, dude? You know I'm just like here taking up stream space, so ask me anything. Much love. Ah, I like this one. Dude, the story about the dude that made like the real version of the song. He was of Mexican ancestry. He was from, I believe it was like the eastern Texas area. He had many other professions, but found the Kimba gang. Shout out to Husty. I was talking about Israel. Kamanamaka. I can't say his name. Dude, he just like got this inspiration and fucking called the studio in the middle of the night and was like, I'm making a song, and recorded this in one take. The actual version of it is pretty cool. And it's like such a beautiful song. But the inspo song, beautiful as well. Shout out to Housty. Let's go Escalade. She can play this on the ukulele. That's awesome. I am not musically inclined. Yeah, let's see your best impression of Israel Kamanamanamaka. May he rest in peace. Also, he was a big dude. But beautiful, beautiful music. Is that Jason Statham on that Aurum? Where do you get these goddamn emotes? Shout out to the transporter. Shout out to Hobbs and Shaw. Stops taken, let's go. The stream likes you too, MEXC83. We love you. I'm always happy to chart with you, brother. Inky, MJ, Gonzas. Left lane Larry juiced up from Coke Zero. And so did Stops Taken. MEXC83 juice in the chat too. It's from a Japanese streamer. Mandalo, dude, I used to kind of look like him before I grew the beard. I actually was a lot bigger. I was bigger before COVID. Hype train, let's go. Yeah. Yeah, I see you, Crypto Jammies. Kamaka Wiwulole. He passed in 97? That's like before most of the Lions were even born. Too soon. Is he in the 27-year-old club? No, that was 37. Tigran. We are market makers. We are market makers. If you're not the market maker, you're the liquidity. Shout out to Ridgeline. How old is your daughter? Let's go Tigran. Okay, okay. Is this the same play from was it Tuesday? Monday? Is that Monday? Monday here? Yeah. Initial balance, like, and then once again. We're gonna get that again? Just like, meh. Who wanted to see that fractal that I drew earlier? I don't think you really do. Exclamation dashboard for the entire stream schedule. I believe is there a Who Juicing today? We had talent show yesterday. The Who Juicing was on Monday. LIQUIDITY's got talent. Hey, check it out on the YouTube and on whojuicing.com. Dashboard. I'm on the stream team. I can't even keep it all straight. Who Juicing coming up right after stream. About an hour and a half after I get off. Kimba Live trading tomorrow morning. Market close with me tomorrow afternoon. And Kimba Live trading on Friday. Who Juicing and LIQUIDITY's got talent. Friday's juicy. And you know we got 2 weeks from today. FOMC and then quarterly options 2 days later. Oh, that's going to be a juicy week. Plenty more before that. When's CPI? Next week? Or the week before FOMC? That, oh, it is. It's next week. Wednesday. Okay. Okay, for once I get to stream on a day that they have FOMC. Maybe I'll go early. He wants me to go earlier and just finish earlier. I can only like really commit like 3 hours at the max. You want me to, or just want to do it normal time, and we come on at 9 and go to noon. Just keep it normal. We want to see the market reaction anyway. That's really cool, Crypto Jammies. Who juicing live? Did Sato get licked again, Housty? I don't know how that smart detection Crypto Jammies on the hammerhead thing like got. Kimba AI is like really up there. Dash Nager. Dash Naga. It is made by the community. The song is called Still Stuck Dance, but it's made by the community, brother. It's from Useless Line Records. So it plays on the streams, and that's pretty much it, bro. Shoutouts to you. You like it? I think you got that that command on repeat. It's all right. You can request it anytime on stream. Just like say "Still Stuck Dance." Write it down, dude. I'm on stream a lot, like freaking 8 hours. And probably some of the other streamers on KTV. I can't, dude. I don't own it. I don't have permissions. A lot of people want it. I'm allowed to play it, and that's it. It's really good. The playlist is freaking huge. But anytime that I'm on, you might like get because it's playing. There's like 400 or 500 songs on this thing, but it's all on like shuffle. Even when there's not a live streamer on. Yeah, if you go into the channel page, the Kimba, because you're in my my Market Open with Mandalo link, but the Kimba 24/7 stream in the channel like homepage for live, it's always playing, and it's also on Twitch. Oh, it is? Oh, shout out to Kimba TV support. Like, dude, I don't know these things. I knew that one of them like didn't have sound. He got licked 3 times. So it was that 69 one, right? And then the other 69 one, and then did he enter again? Housty? Dude, that's huge. So just ballpark it. What did the panda juice up? How much did the panda? You confused? Yeah, I don't know, man. It might have just been the spelling. I don't know what. Maybe it's like in another language. Hammerhead breeding ground is a curse word. Yeah, it's in Twitch, dude. Dash Naga. Welcome. Welcome. Where are you joining from? CPI is next Wednesday. Did we come to a conclusion with that one? Just keep it normal. 250K plus, that is so juice. That's a tough day for Sato. You remember we were watching that the other day and he was just like vaping out giant clouds. Go to whojuicing.com. And make sure that you join later today. It's gonna be juicing. That's huge. Highlights are gonna be juicy juice. Let's go, Housty. Let's go. I guess we can see it on ES. I'm gonna go get that snack right now, though. It's a big week. Dude, I got so much shit to do later. You ever like have this thing where you have this like you remember that you needed to do something and then you like check on it and then there's like 7 more things come in? That's like every day for me. It's pretty awesome. So it's like every day's a clusterfuck. You're still flush. Let's go. Welcome 6666 pound weight. How we doing? LBW. Welcome. I'm Gucci Magucci. We smoking on that Latucci, right, Coke Zero? He's definitely Gucci Magucci. He just gifted 50 subs. What a legend. Crypto Guru, how you doing? I see. Shout out to PSG. Yeah, I'm gonna come shout out PSG in a second. I need to get that snack though. All right, I'll be right back. To the balcony. I'm gonna take a piss too. Salashi, no, I don't. Neither. I used to. It's just a matter of like, it got to the point that it wasn't helping me. It wasn't helping me to like relax and stuff. And it was, I'm so like, I might seem like I'm really chill. I'm like really ambitious still. And I'm a workaholic. I don't want anything interfering, like anything within my control interfering with what I can do. I don't want anything to stop me. And so if I can control it, I'm going to do something about it. And that's something that, you know, it works for me. I'm fine. Mrs. Mandalo is like, how do you do this shit without Xanax and like all this? And like, dude, I don't fucking care. I'm a man. I'm a man. I'm going to power through it. Working out helps. Mandalay Mega. I drink Sprite and I eat cheese. That's like the worst, probably. I love my Sprite and I love cheese. It's been like a year since you had a drink, Housty. I don't know how long it's been. I don't like... See, like, if I was like in the program or something, I'd be like, yeah, it's been like 18 months. I just got my chip for it or something. And shout outs to everybody that's in some sort of support program. But it's just like a choice. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy. There's addiction in my family too, and I know Salashi, which is like not really much better. I love Coke Zero the person. I think the only dark soda that I really like is Dr. Pepper. Root beer's okay, but I don't drink that much of it. I don't drink that much of the soda anyways. Trying to like clean up everything. And shout outs to Ace. He turned me on to some clean living things. Sprite Zero? Nah, dude. Is it worse than normal Coke? Coke Zero is a better than normal Coke person, though. Yeah, shout outs Coke Zero. Shout outs to Dimitri. Might as well drink water. That's right. It's like Zima. The fuck is Zima? Pepsi Max. Supposedly Pepsi. Oh, let's go, Coke Zero. He's back. Dude, he heard us. His like nose was like, what is it? Your ears are burning or your nose is itching? Like, what is it when somebody's talking about you and in meetings and out? How's Spain, dude? We were talking about you and that you just popped in, gifted 50 subs and bounced. Like, fucking legend. Love you, brother. Zima. I know Happy 420 knows what's up. I think Fredward knows what's up with that. Oh, you are back home? I hope you had a great trip, dude. Settlement Crypto Guru is the final price at the conclusion of our RTH session every day. So the New York session closes and they go through a settlement procedures at all the positions that are closed for the daily trades. So like interday positions, and that price ends up getting calculated and marked. CME has like a whole description on it if you go on CME's website. But as far as the reason that we mark it is it tends to have a pretty strong influence over price action when the market moves towards it or is trading around it. Yeah, so it's just kind of like another one of these levels of reference. It just happens to be kind of a powerful one. Okay, I keep saying that I'm gonna do this. I'm fucking like lightheaded. You saw a sixer like 3 years ago and almost, dude, that would have been one for like the shelf or something, dude. Wow. Shout outs to you. Yeah, I see you. I see you with that. I had some fun times myself. But it's pretty amazing. Like I could just be like, all right, I'm done. It doesn't like that stuff doesn't affect my brain the way it has an effect on a lot of people. I haven't tried like anything like, I don't know. Let's go Chab. Let's go Happy. The 65 vol trigger. I think it was lower than that now. It's just an old level. The odds, we need to get a close down below the daily open, I think. At least down below this 66.7 area. Right now, it's not looking that good, but it's not looking awful either. If S&P keeps pulling back, then I think that that's more likely. It might not happen all today, though. Dimitri. Yeah, I need to update that. I'm gonna click on this on the chart, go get my snack and piss, and then like, stream's over. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna be here for another hour. So let's get it. All right, I'll be right back. Give me like maybe 5 minutes. To the balcony, finally. All you lions that are like, to the balcony, you've gone like 6 times. Final price of daily session, pretty much. Yeah, it's not exactly the market closing price at 4 o'clock, but it's pretty close to it. No, Salaji. No, I'm just like stepping away for a second. I'm gonna get a snack. I'm like lightheaded. I didn't eat breakfast. Yeah, I like worked early instead of eating, and then Mrs. Mandalo was taking the kids to like something, and I had to help her. They were hella tired. Okay. I'll be right back. Much love. Shoutouts Manaka. I'll be right back. You want some music up a little bit, just for a few minutes?
Everything in motion. Let's go. Stream it, pop out. Kimba gang rock out. Whole crowd together, we ain't never gonna drop out. Stream it, pop out. Profits we stockpile. New game plan, we gon' run it for a long while. Stream it, pop out. New setups locked down. We grab that juice, now the whole crew walk round. Stream it, pop out. Everybody top down. Family in the chat. This is Kimba Gang's hometown. We wake up, charts up. Juice on the screen, giveaways coming in, heavy, that's the dream. New trades lined up, math on the play, levels locked in, we gon' take it all day. This ain't just talk, nah, this a movement. Every single session, yeah, the crew stay proven. We flipping that edge, now the game looks sunny. Everybody eating, that's Bugatti money. Scream it, don't pop out, Kimba gang rock out. Whole pride together, we ain't never gonna drop out.
Give you a little something. Vibe out. Big cheers.
Family in the chat, man, you know we all win. Pride stay strong when we move and sin. Levels get hit, now we back on the brand. Streaming all night, yeah, we bring that fire. Energy high, we keep taking it higher. Trading together, that's the lion way. Juice for the crew every single day. Streaming pop out, Kimba gang rock out. Juice in the cup and we never gon' drop out. Stream it, pop out, Kimba gang rock out. Family forever, this the Lions hometown.
But they ain't ready for this.
Yeah, streamathon season. Kimba gang in the building. We all pulling up. Trade, giveaway, juice, everything in motion. Let's go. Streamathon pop out. Kimba gang rock out. Whole pride together, we never gonna drop out. Streamathon pop out. Profits we stop out. New game plan, we gon' run it for a long while. Streamathon pop out. New setups locked down. We grab that juice, now the whole crew walk proud. Streamathon pop out. Everybody top down. Family in the chat, this is Kimba Gang's hometown. We wake up, charts up, juice on the screen. Giveaways coming in heavy, that's the dream. New trades lined up, math on the play. Levels locked in, we gon' take it all day. This ain't just talk, nah, this a movement. Every single session, yeah, the crew stay proven. We flipping that edge, now the game looks sunny. Everybody eating, that's Bugatti money. Streamathon pop out, Kimba gang rock out. Whole pride together, we never gonna drop out. Streamathon pop out, profits we stop out. New game plan, we gon' run it for a long while. New content drop, everybody tuned in. Family in the chat, man, you know we all win. Pride stay strong, we move and sing. Levels get hit, now we back on the brink. Stream it all night, yeah, we bring that fire. Energy high, we keep taking it higher. Trading together, that's the lion way. Juice for the crew every single day. Stream it down, pop out. Kimba gang rock out. Juice in the cup, and we never gon' drop out. Stream it down, pop out. Kimba gang rock out. Family forever, this the Lions' hometown.
Yeah, bro, my trades are only testnet. They hate it, they say it, I'm paper trading, I just laugh it off. Manipulation. They hate it, they say it, I'm paper trading, I just laugh it off. It's only testnet, but I'm chillin', I'm cruising, I don't break a sweat. You know I got math on my side, no time for regrets. You know my stop loss always stay set. I'm Gucci, ain't no stress. Don't take my word for it, bro. It's only testnet. Lions don't get phased, real focus in the game. From nothing to something, I'm changing the game. Kimba game forever, let them know the name. Kimba game. They saying I'm paper trading, manipulation. They hate it, they saying I'm paper trading, manipulation. Yeah, bro, my trades are only testnet. They hate it, they say it, I'm paper trading, I just laugh it off. Manipulation. They hate it, they say it, I'm paper trading, I just laugh it off. It's only testnet. Nah, bro, my master boss. Got fib levels, yeah, they guide me, of course. Risk to reward, man, I'm trading with force. Talking every move, never straying, of course. Plan set in stone, I don't let stress. I'm patient in the game, used to get erect. Blood smoking checks, my Letici is the best. You're a fake trader, Kimba. Yeah, bro, my trades are only testnet. They hate it, they saying I'm paper trading, manipulation. They hate it, they saying I'm paper trading, manipulation. Yeah, bro, my trades are only testnet. They hate it, they saying I'm paper trading, I just laugh it off. Manipulation. They hate it, they saying I'm paper trading, I just laugh it off. Focus on the numbers, lions never lie. Lions in the jungle, I'm the ruthless in this pride. Lions don't get phased, real focus in the game. From nothing to something, I'm changing the game. Kimba game forever, let them know the name. Kimba game. Yeah, bro, my trades are only testnet. Kimba gang, motherfucker.
Let's go! Giveaway! Exclamation! Coin-wise. Shoutouts to Maestro. Useless Lines gifting a mug. Let's go! Shoutouts to Housty. Shoutouts to Useless Lines. I know the music's hella wild. Better? Too low. Exclamation enter. Congratulations to AC. Juicing on a white mug. Shouts to Biffum and the mug dealer. Shouts to Useless Lines on this one. Shouts to Coinwise. Let's go, Maestro. Thank you, Maestro. Exclamation enter. Exclamation enter. Exclamation enter. Let's go. Thanks for popping us back into the juice. You probably want to see me, don't you? Let's go. Shout outs to PSG. Shout outs to Maestro. Shout outs to Useless Lines. Maestro is a Useless Lines winner. All around winner. Much love. Exclamation enter. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Let's go. When you get some. This is a great song and all, but. Yeah. Exclamation enter. Let's go. If you're in YouTube, make sure you just come over to Twitch real quick. Ooh, got that low. Maestro is the GOAT. Afnaguka. Bergie. Hit him with a goose. Exclamation enter. Exclamation enter. Get yourself some Coinwise. Let's go MEXC 83. There we go. Now we can see it for real. Professor looking juice. Let's go, Chauncey. How you doing? Exclamation enter. That's like marbles back in the olden days, dude. Shout out to Argentina. Goats and lions. Let's go, Inky. Ascentus, congratulations. Thank you, Maestro. Huge shout outs to Maestro. Coinwise Discord. Follow those instructions, Ascentus, and enjoy. I want to see some charts posted. Enjoy those levels. Let's see some. Use those levels. Juice on them. Yeah. I can't even talk. I'm trying to pop out of it. And this is just a small little snippet. Coinwise.com/dashboard. Congratulations, Ascentus. This is free. This is free for everyone. Oof. I need to refresh this. Oh. Wow. Yeah, it's nothing crazy. A little bit down below. It's only the first week of the month too, though. Oh, that's what I was gonna. That's what I was going to. And 64,053. And that closes the gap. They kind of need to get their shit together anyways, because the tick size on CME has changed now as well. Shout out to CoinWise. Let's go, Calling Noob. Let's go, Maestro. Let's go, Husty. Exclamation, who juicing? Hello there, Zaobaya. Is that open? Uh-oh, hot dog. What was that white line? That was a sweep, I think. Yeah. Got it. Oh boy. Here we go now. Here we go now. Still got those longs. Exclamation XO. We ain't worried.
I don't care what charts have shown. The tape is running wild, but I'm deep in the zone. I'm trading this with no regret. Could be a nuke, but I ain't sweating yet. We ain't worried about it right now. Laughing through the news, J-Pow in his suit. We ain't worried about it right now. Timing every pivot, listening to the minutes. We ain't worried about it. Kimba gang ain't worried about it. Kimba gang don't care what we've been told. FOMC drops heat, every WEEX under control. Cooking shots with 9 zeros, even in a drawdown, still feel like a hero. Yeah, at our best when a wig looking steep and surreal. Way too busy.
You'd be doing stuff like that though.
No stress, just finesse in the way that we deal. Pull the trigger, Kimba gang, prepare so we ain't worried about it right now. Deep in the end zone, still locked in for the free throw. We ain't worried about it right now. Swimming in the stops, dancing while the big goes cold. We ain't worried about it. Kimba gang ain't worried about it.
Yeah, we had talked about like the high 50s in Seoul, but probably sub 50. If Biddy goes into the 50s.
Winners can't silence the voice. We ain't worried about it right now. Keeping dreams alive, J-Pow on beast mode. We ain't worried.
We get back up here though, it's all good. It'll look better. And same for ETH. I think 2K. Get back into the 2K zone. It's kind of a... Yeah, it's kind of like the 74. The 70, 71 really. That's going to be some serious resistance right there.
Hey, Kimba gang, we juicing up. What? Roll up, light it up. Hey, ain't no sleep, we count bucks. Stack that green, run it all about the Nero. Yeah, we stack it to the city.
Let's go, fellas.
On that lettuce got me higher than the building. 100 rounds loaded, I ain't worried about no feelings. OG in my
Yeah, we just did some giveaways. Shout outs to Maestro. Shout outs to Useless Lines Records. Who was here for the talent show yesterday? Y'all, exclamation talent show. Get your submissions in. You can juice up, win some money, get your thoughts turned into a amazing song. There's always some great songs that are made by our community. Close red, 1 hour and 30 minutes. I'm looking at the 4-hour close. Yeah, lock in. We locked in. I just had a snack. Feeling better. Good morning, Psycho Talent. How you doing? The giveaway just concluded. It'll have instructions when the next one triggers. Exclamation dashboard for when the giveaways for bonuses from the various exchanges. Make sure that you have joined up the and at least, like, you know, made an account for them and tied up your UIDs with the dashboard. There's a lot of juicy exchanges, big deposit bonuses. Shout outs to KCEX, shout outs to BLOFIN, shout outs to BTCC, shout outs to UBIT. Big depot bonuses on UBIT. There's BLOFIN War of the Whales, I think, is still going on. Fellas, I'm not giga bullish, I'm giga objective. Juice gonna give it to you, Mark. Mark, you had some great songs too. Let's go, Maestro. "30 minutes are good for market profile." This is what I usually chart in, but I like to see the higher time frames confirmation. Hourly is helpful. It's like you kind of step it up. You step it up. Like once you get that confirmation on the 30, you know, like a couple of candle closes back inside a level, for instance, or below. You just gotta make sure that's not like a daily close that's closing below a level. Even though, like on the daily, so we're kind of looking at this level right here, and then, you know, it wasn't like any kind of meaningful sweep until today, but we're first like concerned with that 70, 468. It held it on Tuesday and then broke below, and like, I mean, there's not even any question there. I'll try to find a good example of this. Well, it held below and it was bearish beyond that. Yeah, breakouts too. So just kind of like step it up, but I like the 30, the hour, the 4 hour, and the daily. And then, of course, the higher time frames, which the weekly and the monthly was Sunday. God damn it. I'm tired of seeing this thing. And even on Thursday of last week, we were like, man, that monthly candle, if it closes like this, that's not the greatest monthly candle look. I mean, obviously this one was worse, but it didn't look great. Yeah, and sometimes it's not just like beyond breaking a level, it's outside of value. So, I mean, it's hard to like say it in this time frame because it's just so broad. But if we were to go from the weekly, you go like that. It's probably easier to do this. Yeah, you see it closed outside of value without taking lows. Yeah. Calling Noob, shouts Calling Noob. Thank you for the gift sub. Giga Latuche, Inky. I don't know. Those are the time frames that I monitor myself more. It's easy to get caught up in like a 30-minute chart, but have like a really strong 4-hour or something, or things look far different in a 4-hour chart. You know, because this doesn't look that great. Let's say we were looking at right here. And everything. Like, oh man. Where's our daily? Oh man. That was a terrible daily. And then you go up into the 4-hour chart and you're like, I mean, not as bad. Or like your 30-minute, like, oh, it's juice and it's juice and it's juice and we just broke above. That's probably a better way to explain it. It's juice and it's juice and it broke above. Where's that close? Right here, right? Yeah, like wicked above that, where the closes were. It's kind of interesting, that 67.1. 65.7 could be something. There's your previous day value area low. Just tapped it. So imagine we close this one candle down here. I wouldn't be like, well, it's just going to go for these lows now. You got a pretty good low down here. It's not looking great because we broke structure up here, but the next 30-minute candle coming into a 4-hour close at New York noon, New York 12 p.m. It could tuck it back here and it's going to look pretty good on the 4-hour. Yeah, because it would tuck back up, and you have a nice long wick. I don't know about pretty good, but it'll look a lot better. And an hourly too. So you get like that nice long tail coming back inside, even if it's still outside of value. $65.8, $65.7, yeah. Be careful what you wish for, though, brother. I know that you're part of the 886 gang, though, aren't you? Yeah, that's a 7.5, 7.86. That's a nice little Kimba box right there. It just pixel tapped. So we had fibbed this out before and said previous day value area low, previous range value area low, and golden pocket confluence here. Yeah, I agree with Kimba's high time frame plans. For big picture. Maybe I have like slightly different opinions about what the exact like levels, but it's all just speculation. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, and it doesn't matter in your day-to-day. We're just looking level to level. You have trouble to define. Yeah, this was great. Hard for you to draw a clean line if it is or not okay, Dimitri. Anytime that I say that, you want me to clarify. I apologize if my sarcasm sometimes is confusing. Yeah, you see, it's like trying to tuck back in. You had a little bit of longs close on this one. Look at that. Let's see, 5 minute. Again, not all of that volume. You remember when we did that the other day? Like on the 1 minute chart. I'll probably go like that. Not even as deep as like the whole thing. It's probably why this one rejected though. And there's VWAP up there too. Point of control. Off of the open, that nuke buyback. It's a lot of confluence up there. If it makes it, it's going to be significant resistance, not to mention market structure. But we tuck in and it's going to look better. Crypto Guru, let's go. Yeah, just commit to learning and improving, testing out different things, observe, try different ideas out. Even if you chart it and back test it a whole lot, it'll help your confidence substantially. Yeah, Focacino, that will help a lot. That'd be pretty interesting, wouldn't it, Focacino? Close the way that we did and get back up there on the weekly. Mark, have a great day, brother. Thanks for joining this morning. Hopefully I'll see you tomorrow afternoon. KIMBA'S is not from me. They are official stream sponsors. I know many of the team. Great dudes. Many of them are lions. And very hard workers, very smart people. But I just like, dude, I can read a chart I'm relatively comfortable speaking and enjoy vibing with my lions, so I'm up here using the tools. Shout out to CoinWise. Shout out to Maestro juicing people up on CoinWise. We got Who Juicing coming up in a little while. Sato could be using some CoinWise. Anytime, Crypto Guru. Check out the Discord, man, and check out the PSG. Shout out to PSG. There we go. That's what I was gonna do. How do I go the whole stream? Shout out to Mosley. It's probably gonna like log me in. Shoutouts PSG, Buzz Happy, Yogi, Karoon, I'm Sam Wastro, XLR8, Zero Knowledge, big cheers. Yogi's got some things going. Is that Addis? Those are some massive bubbles. Shout out to External Assassin. Get it on the next one. Much love, PSG. Let's go, Colin Noob. Juicing up Inky Deranged. Let's go, Inky. Crypto Guru, have a great day. You as well. Thank you. Yeah, hope to see you in here. Always ask questions. I'm happy to answer. Maestro. That's Wastro, isn't it? Maestro, is that you? Am I just stupid? It's upside down. It's gotta be. It's gotta be testnet. Shots Maestro. Maestro is always in PSGs, often streaming. Uh-oh. Great trader. Even better dude. Yeah, love you, brother. Let's go, Curvies. That's right. You got that right. Benzie 69. Up what? I mean, we took some shorts from higher. Biddy's not looking the best. We haven't lost previous day value yet. It could definitely look better. We planned for this though. When everybody was talking about, oh, we're so back, 130K is incoming, let's fucking go at 81,000. I was like, y'all need to fucking slow your roll. You need to flip 84, 80 to 86 before you open that up. I'm not fronting. No cap. We are cooking. That's right. So, watch what you see on crypto Twitter. It's clickbait. Three drive. It's a good song. I mean, I kind of thought that push last night was your third drive. Could be the Trident. Yeah, you kind of want a little bit more balanced structure here, but it could form a Trident. Hold previous day value area low, range value area low. Weasel. Golden, local golden pocket. This is range golden pocket also. Sorry, I got the sniffles. It's like allergies or something. Yeah, rejecting off of VWAP. Could look better. But we're holding this still. Welcome, Varaki. Disty. Yeah, if we make it down there, there's levels lower. We were kind of talking about that. Check out the KIMBA'S Den in the Discord, exclamation Discord. We were just vibing out with PSG, and you know they're nerding out hard every single day, even harder than me. A lot of hours in there in the journey. Yeah, it's a great place, great people. True Lions. Yo, gang. Let's go, Wessel. Thank you for the resub. And CoinWise has really been guiding our journey with levels and tools, education, a new trading journal, and it's continuing to get better. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to that. The social journal thing sounds really, really cool. They're still streamlining this, but it's to work to its optimum. Y'all got to use it. Oof. And then, of course, the levels in the dashboard. Exclamation CoinWise and coinwise.com/dashboard. Bummer. Bummer, Disty Games. There's always another trade. Hopefully you didn't lose anything. There's always going to be another one. Yeah, and maybe we get a run back up. We have a lot of people talking about the waves. That's awesome, Ascentus. Yeah. And you just won the giveaway? I guess you like stack it on there. They have some explanations on Discord. If you're like have any questions, use their Discord and hit them up, or their help desk. Yeah, amazing. That's a bummer, Disty Games. Sorry to hear it. Are you in UK? You in Britain? England? You know, some people like Kimbo would be like, dude, that's like my my trip to Starbucks. So that could be a lot or a little. I don't know if that's a lot to you. For most of us normies, that's pretty painful. I'm sorry to hear it. Hey, just keep taking shots and don't all in. Yeah, I feel you. Yeah, exactly, Inky. A lot of us learn or have learned this lesson. Yeah, and I'm not trying to like tell you like you should have done this, you should have done that. It's like the worst thing to hear. It's just hopefully that you can take some knowledge away from it to help yourself the next time that you're in a juicy trade. You know, have that teach you something that you can juice more in the future. Yeah, if you keep doing Satos and losing 250k every fucking pullback, you know, that's like not gonna help normal people. He just does the same mistakes over and over again, longing the top and then adding all the way down. Yeah, at least you didn't do that, dude. Shout out to Who Juice, and I can't wait to see it later. I see you, Disty. Just don't put that, like, that emotion into your trading. Make a repeatable process, and, you know, just try to just build it up over time. Regardless of the situation, emotions will compromise you substantially. That's hard enough to deal with as it is. Friday premiere. All right, Buzz. Shout out to Buzz. Let's go. I know, Inky. You juiced up on WLD, though. Hopefully, you have a little bit running. Cutting the losses late. How about, like, when you cut it and it bounces? It's fucking, like... I've been there. But you see, you even see my emotions coming out with that, talking about it. It's like, dude, we've all felt the pain. We have to find ways to separate ourselves from that. It's either trading not as much, lower leverage, doing things to detach from the emotions. Lord, everybody. What's up, Barantina? Your boy Gypsy was in here right after you early this morning. How we doing, dude? Yeah, we got a little bit left, about 18 minutes. I'm gonna be kicking off. Speaking of kicking off, we got World Cup coming up next week, don't we? Raise your hands if you're excited about it. Yeah, I know how you feel, man. And you're like, oh, I could have done this, I could have. But man, it goes both ways. I see you. All good, Barantina. I'm happy to see you at any point. Yes, Manaka. Yes. Oh, whoops. The 78. The 78. I thought it was going to get me too. Yep. Thought it was going to get me too. And I was thinking about taking this one, but I was really busy on Friday, I think. I was away from the keyboard. Yep. And just a little bit of spot, a lot of orders. And took profits at the highs too. So little things, nothing huge. Just playing it day by day, following my plan. Busalo, shout out to Busalo. You said it. Clip it. Oh, Barantina, don't say that. Yeah. They just had a show on Ronaldinho. Have you seen it? I'm curious about your opinion of him. He was a great player. Short it to 20K. You're hilarious, dude. You're hilarious. I mean, you're acting like you just saw my stream earlier. I was like charting it down and showing a freaking fractal down to like 28 or something. Karoon's looking for the 9K gap. Yeah, oh yeah, I forgot about that, Maestro. Yeah, the AI sentiment indicator. The sentiment score. You just drop down into like the negatives. That was hilarious. I never got to see that. Let's go, Maestro. We need to bring that back. Maestro, your sentiment score is like 420 out of 100. Juice. Manaka. I think yours is like 169. Karoon. 142.69 out of 100. Busalo, I think it's like 69. Yeah, it's a little bit. Yeah, because it's in your name and it's a little bit on the bearish side. But he's not saying anything negative. He just voicing his opinions. Minus 666. Let's go, Inky. Gotta do better. Yeah, that's baby. Yeah, MEXC83. MEXC83 is 420.69. Mr. Larry's, we're talking about our sentiment scores. You're way up there. I think yours, because I don't think that I've seen you in the chat this morning. I think that dropped you down to like a 99 out of 100. Psycho Talent was a 0.42. Remember, it takes you out of the running for giveaways. Psycho Talent, you juicing so hard, you don't need to worry about giveaways. Yeah, we're just being silly, Mr. Larry's. How are you doing today? 420 out of 100? Yeah, dude, I don't know if any of them are good, brother. Shout out to MEXC83. Shout out to Mr. Larry's. Shout out to all of you for indulging me. It's been like kind of a weird day on my end, but the math is the math. The juice is the juice. The Kimba's Den is the Kimba's Den. Exclamation Discord. Exclamation Coinwise. Exclamation Coinwise. Oh, wait. Coinwise.com/dashboard. We got Who Juicing coming up later. Exclamation Who Juicing. And we're talking about some of our Gucci exchange partners for the stream. A little while ago, somebody juiced up. Who was it? That was Acai. Juiced up on a mug earlier. Acentus juiced up on some Coinwise, courtesy of Maestro. Coke Zero juiced up the chat, and so did MEXC83 on some gift subs. Huge shout outs to all of the Lions, and especially those who are showing such generosity. But everybody that's supporting this stream, much love. Everybody who's not supporting this stream and is just sitting here like, when is this dude gonna get off so I can watch the fucking CME chart? Shouts to you too. I'm just ready for the Who Juicing stream. Oh man, that low. Kimba's Den, Discord. Now we're trading down into gap territory. A little bit farther. Reject from that gap. And initial balance was a full rejection from it on RTH. Look at that initial balance candle. That was it, right? Come on. Yeah. So there's your hourly versus your 30 minutes. Like, oh, well, it closed back inside, and then the hourly, it closed right back outside of the gap. Even if it wasn't a full fill, like that's actually worse to hold some of it. Full port, 3x lev. Okay. It's a hedge, obviously. That's not bad, dude. What I was referencing with Kimba's ideas, the 50 to 45 in some time. Psycho Talent's bullish. Yeah, I think we might get some ups and downs, some waves and whatnot. However time frame you want to look at it. I think that there is a non-zero chance that mid 48s gets cleaned. And if it's down there, potentially that 42. But I don't know, man. It could be like a long-term thing. It doesn't mean it's gonna go right there. And 42, 43, just because it's a major volume point of control. Potentially lower. But, you know, this is just thoughts and speculation. You know, I'm not shorting this and like expecting that to run to 31K or something. Yeah, it's gonna be, yeah, it's all a game. And you got to remember, if it's going to go there, they're going to fill their bags again. You had a lot of profit taking just on this dump. They have to get filled again. How do you get filled again after it nukes to 60K? You run it back up to fucking 82K. Fill my bags. Fill my shorts. All right. We're done. We're done. Run it back down. Get filled down here somewhere. Maybe sweep that bad lows at 62. You know, round out a little bit. Run back up to 70 and then just like... It's bear market vibes, y'all. There's trades to be taken in both directions, and arguably all three, Fredward. Let's go. Long McDonald's job applications. Yes, paper. Dunder Mifflin is juicing those job applications. Did they go all digital now? That's an Office reference. I'm a boomer. Maestro. Short the .42. Fibception. Ooh. The high of my brain to the bottom of my stomach. Well, that's your heart, isn't it? Let's draw a fib on a person. We gotta fib them. That's about proportional, isn't it? Hold on, we gotta get some big old balls. Let's go. Fucking stupid. From the bottom, I'm gonna say the bottom of your stomach is right there. Clip this one. From the top of my brain. Dude, the 618 is around your, well, I guess it's like your neck kinda, but it's kinda your heart. Ah, the 7.5. Yeah, but maybe we can do like a reverse fib. Y'all, you're not gonna get this anywhere else. This is the, yeah, your heart. Okay. I'm gonna say that. I'm an anatomist, so I could tell you a thing or two.
is sweet, but the grind was sweeter. To my team, I owe it all. Y'all made me a winner.
We're breaking down. Dude, Mandalo, you never know what he'll come up with. Shoutouts to frickin' Psycho Talon. Seven five, the Kimba box of your heart. Yeah, I love it. Oh, it was Fibception, my bad. It's the last time it ever trades above 65. I don't know about that one, Busalo. Hey, but, you know, stick to your plan, brother. You would have really liked the fractal I drew projected from the last all-time highs in 21. Let's go, Tigran. Tigran, when is TradingView going to get their shit together? I mean, come on now. Dissy says never above 67. See, right around when everybody starts posting bearish things is about when we bounce. I'm like talking 31, like I'm fucking stupid. Hey, shoutouts Coco. I like everything you do. Thank you for making me feel better this morning. Shoutouts to you. How we doing? Where are you joining from? We're about to actually wrap things up. Oh no, Cachoya. I don't see it in ETH. Uh-oh. About to get that 4-hour close. Huge thank you to Coke Zero and MEXC this morning. Huge thank you to Useless Lines Records. And to Maestro, gifting huge. Huge shout outs to CoinWise, to the dashboard. CoinWise.com/dashboard. Shouts to So Guru. Kimba saw me draw, like, fibbing a person. He's like, what? He's taking notes. I missed that, dude. I'm so dumb, man. I love you. Thanks for giving me this platform to be silly like this. Hopefully the chat enjoys it, because we actually do talk about some pretty interesting things from time to time. But really, we just try to enjoy ourselves, chart, juice, vibe out. It was borderline, Maestro. I'm getting there. Right, inverse the chart, Busalo. There you go. And bears are just bulls that want to buy lower. This agenda color is amazing. Yeah. Da Vinci, I mean, you remember when Kimba was drawing like dudes sitting on the toilet? And his owner's box. Those were some great ones. He was the true Da Vinci. It's getting there, Manaka. And you know it's like pretty close to 50% drawdown. And that's a big kind of trigger for some high time frame type of traders. Yeah, only 30% more, Busalo. What's 50% of this? Got Choya. But the dashboard, get in there. CoinWise.com/dashboard. Shout outs to Coke Zero. Shout outs to Maestro. Shout outs to MEXC. Calling Noob. Calling Noob. Shout outs Coco. Much love, brother. Or sister. fellow lion. Just a Wessel. Useless Lions Records. Happy 420. So Guru. Damon. Alpeasy. Biffum. Colin Noob. Rogerlicious. Shout outs to the Wise Lions. Get yourself a NFT and get up in there. Or YouTube Lion King or the Discord, excuse me, VIP. Yeah, chat it up. Kimba's Den never lets us down. Delivers again. No one's in longs. Some of us might be getting stopped out pretty soon. Or our resolve may be tested. We have an unfilled rotation just below, and a couple more below that. I think if it makes it to fill this rotation, that this is going to get swept. Depends on if it gets swept, or we get a close down here if we get any lower than that. We may get a bounce still, though. So just check out the Kimba's Den for some of these ideas. Very, very logical. It's cool when you see some ideas that you have on your own confirmed by others. You know, like Busala wants to hear me say it is never going to 65 again. And that'll make him feel good. I don't think that it's all the best thing if we all agree on stuff. But when you have some confluence for an idea from somebody else, it does help to discuss it. Yeah, he knows it. He feels it in his plums. Right, happy 420. Right, Fredward. I know Fredward's not here, but shout outs to Fredward. How do you like that? You get shouted out even when you're not here. Love y'all. This is the spirit of our community, man. Get in the PSG, get in the Discord, get in the CoinWise, exclamation CoinWise, and make sure that you join in a little while to the Who Juice and Stream, exclamation dashboard. Get on these exchanges, y'all. If you're trading, like, you can't sit here and watch me drawing fibs on some, like, stick figure and not be trading. That's not entertainment. You can't hear me nerding out on things for probably 19 minutes out of a 3-hour stream and not take some of this with you into your own ideas. Be trading this or test it out on testnet, but those exchanges in the dashboard. Dika, oh man, we should have known that you would come in right when I was ending. I love you, brother. We're doing great. How are you doing? Missed you this morning, bro. Hey, I'll be back tomorrow at 2 p.m. New York time. Yes, I know, dude. Ascentus, congratulations to you. Congratulations to Asi. He's Dick Flex. You gotta change your name, bro. Dika, love ya. Busy. He juicing. Latisse, Ascentus, Tia Goog, coinwise.com/dashboard right there at Kimba AI. Shout out to Kimba AI. Calling Noob. Shout out to the entire team. Cage, Husty, Buzzo, Chauncey, Cyper, MGK, Tiggy, Coin Nerd. Shout outs to Reddy, Gypsy. Shout outs to everybody. Everyone! Huge thank you to Kimba as always. I get to fib out dudes' plums to their brains. Be silly on stream. Nerd out and share thoughts. Ooh. Yeah, that 4-hour close Could have looked better. Oh, it doesn't matter. It's CME. The doy. Could have looked better though. Ooh. Yeah, but it didn't close below that. The 65,767. I don't know. Maybe we get like a little bounce. 66.5. And they just like they have been doing. Just kind of like bleed it down. Bleed it down. If it's going to go down. Yeah, maybe we get something like this and then you get your retest. There's only so much time in RTH. S&P, the math is the math. But it's not helping too much yet. Yeah, that, and there are big boo gammas above. This is ES, but there's some gamma levels up above. Oh my god. I keep doing this. I have had too much shit on. I was talking about, bleeding. Just like here. Whoa. Just rolling over. But maybe you get a bounce before the roll. Up to like 65. I meant 66.5. Like up here somewhere. Below daily open. Jesus, I'm so fucking stupid. I was like about to be out. Yeah, I was saying this one. VWAP. Structure. Fill that little FVG. On the 4. Could have looked better though. And then it closed outside of previous day value area low and range value area low. But I was talking about, at least it held this. Who was it that said, I might like to loan that 65.8? You can't lose. Make sure you get your stops in. Ridgeline, much love. Hey, tell your daughter to play some Izzy for you. Check the Discord general. Okay. I gotta find it. I have like literally 69 windows open. Shout outs to PSG. Much love to PSG. XLR8. Zero knowledge. Sin, Maestro, Karoon. Happy 420 Crypto Craze. Buzzo and Yogi. Get yourselves in there. This place is juice. General. There it is. Well, that image was drawn based on Fibonacci, wasn't it? I think I like read something about this. It's like the perfect proportions. That is Da Vinci, truly. Exactly right where the heart is. The 382 to the 42. Love it. Shout out Psycho Talon. See you tomorrow, MEXC83. I'll see you all tomorrow afternoon. Hey, Blade! All day. I was thinking about you. I hope all is well. Thanks for joining. Much love. I hope your whole family is doing well as also. Dika, I hope you have a great day too. Babcock. Shout out to Babcock. Thank you for the resub. Diligent Chew Toy. Let's go. It's been a minute. Baru! I know I saw you earlier and I just like, dude, I'm just weird today. Like bouncing like full ADHD to like on steroids today. That's true, Busalo. That's true. Peace in the world, crypto jammies. Enjoy those puppies. I'm gonna try and get to the surf part maybe next week. I'm not gonna be doing backflips with fucking stale fish grabs or anything, but I'll still have fun. Inky. It sounds like a different language, doesn't it? I talked to my surf friends about this stuff, and it sounds like a different language to them there. Let's go to Diligent Shoe Toy. Dimitri. Dude, you don't even know, man. I need some, but like, shit. If you only knew. One day. Hey, shout outs to Ridgeline. Shout outs to Psycho Talon. Shout outs Disty. Hope to see you all tomorrow. Stick around. Ruraru! I know, dude. I fucking keep doing this. I'm an idiot. Ghosted. Alright. Buzz. I love you all. Have a great day. Hopefully I'll be able to at least listen into the Who Juicin' in a little while, and I'll see you tomorrow. Big cheers! Garoon! That's sick. That place isn't even there anymore. It's something else now. Oh, 17th Street is, yeah. All right, I'm out. Love you. Crispy, EK, Hey Blade, Rararu, Focacino, Karun, Crypto Jammies, Diligent Shoe Toy, Dimitri, Inky, love y'all. Shout out to Coinwise. Peace. Toddler, I'm out. I love you. Oh. If you don't use a stop loss, I'm gonna slap this shit out ya. Catch ya. Let's go, Shishibui. All right, peace out.
It's Mandalo.
Early morning level without a doubt. I'm nerding and we nerding out.
Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. We set them. Pre-market out for the Lions is ready. Coinwise, Sammy and Salmon, we steady. Deep cheers when the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo. In the morning, I'm nerding and we're nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to Coinwise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. Why you be all on the trot if you rushing? Why you not marking the levels of soaking? Wise lions patient, we build it for structure. Mandalo teaching the code to the public. Coinwise outfits flowing abundance. Knowledge and discipline stacking the hundreds. Every reaction the lions know how I'm coming. Lions brigade when candles start pumping. Before the bell ringing, the lions on a mission. Studying candles, levels, and timing with precision. A boobalito in any market condition. Coinwise with KIMBA'S dominating the competition. We got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. Pre-market off of the Lions is ready. Coinwise family and similar we stay. Big cheers with the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo in the morning. I'm nerding and we nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to Coinwise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels.